Not having UAE experience is becoming one of the biggest challenges for job seekers who are applying jobs outside UAE.
Yes, Ebin, it's a big challenge.
I was discussing this point with Mr. Imad and he has come up with an excellent solution. Over to Imad.
Namaskaram. Assalamu alaikum. Hope everyone is fine. Do you wish to work in Dubai but having no experience in UAE? No problem, we can help you. If you're currently in India or Pakistan or Sri Lanka or Egypt or anywhere in the world, no problem, we can help you. I can guide you for Dubai job market, visa processing, even I can introduce you for some companies. You can join our internship training program and get UAE work experience certificate. This will help you to get your job much easier. Hope to see you soon. May Allah bless you.